Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from down a yard. You know pretty? Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Old and new subscribers, viewers alike, welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. And welcome today to the Jamaican stewed pork. Yes, today we are doing stew pork the Jamaican way, the authentic way. Okay, y'all? The finger licking way. Now, right here, I have 2.5 pounds of pork, and they were cut in bite-sized pieces, and this is what you're supposed to have in them look like. Okay? Inside here, I have already some chopped green scallions, chopped onions, chopped green bell pepper. 2.5 pounds of pork, and I link for you everything in the description and the desired or the measured amount. Also, we have some crushed red pepper seeds. We have some celery powder. Okay, y'all, I'm showing it to you because some people are asking what are some of the things that I've been using. Okay, now to this I had grated 2 pegs of garlic and a chunk of ginger. That is all we have there already. Yes, and a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. As I say, I link for you all everything in the description. Now to this, we're gonna add, I have right here some, remember I was talking to you all about the coriander seed that they use in the curry. It gives a beautiful flavor. Now, to this, I'm gonna add about a half of a teaspoon of coriander seeds. Yeah, we're gonna crush them, freshly crushed. And to this, we're gonna add also a few pimento seeds, and we're gonna get them not finely crushed but cracked, freshly cracked, like how you do freshly cracked black pepper. And some of you all have other things that you can get. If you want it cracky, smash it, not powdery. We don't want it sort of cracky. So you give a few smashes. Okay, if you have your little mortar or something, and this is how you have it. So we're going to look at it, cracky. So we're going to sprinkle all over. Okay, y'all? Now, to this, we're going to add a few drops of soy sauce. If you are using browning for coloring, and the soy sauce is for coloring and also for flavoring because it has some other little things, and salt. Be careful, y'all. I'm going to put about a tablespoon for now. Yes. And we are going to proceed not to add any salt as yet. We're going to proceed to start rubbing up. Okay, y'all? We're rubbing up now because we're looking for a desired color. Stew pork, you're supposed to have a sort of pretty brown color. Right in camera, girl. So we are rubbing in and we are searching. Please be reminded, or if you're all in, you will realize I've not added any salt. My salt is here, but I'll proceed not to add the salt as yet. We're looking for a color for the stew pork. This is where, when you're rubbing up, you get the desired color for your stew pork. And yes, we can take a little more soy sauce. If you are using browning, you will know how much to use. We're using a little more. Okay, y'all? And please be reminded that browning is just for coloring, not for flavoring. And you're to go low because a small amount goes a long way, because browning has a bitterish taste when too much is used. So now we're proceeding to doing some, look at it. Give them a shot, camera girl, give them a shot. So this is here your stew pork. And we are rubbing in all of these herbs. Okay? And right here, we're going to taste for Yeah. There's no salt in here, and we don't need any right now. The pepper is to taste and all of that. Now, this is what we have. Your seasoned pork ready will be left to marinate for 2 hours. Okay, y'all? When you see us in the next segment, we'll proceed to start cooking our stew pork. Right here I have, please take a note, I have a piece of thyme. I have a Scotch bonnet, looking not so sexy, but it's here. We still have more ginger and more garlic. So when we return in the next segment, you will see how we proceed to start cooking down this here, your stew pork. Okay, y'all?